Ah, bro, baby. I'm so. Yo, we out here in LA with my man Bob, bro. Let's go, baby. He said this is the best naengmyeon spot around here.
Come on, on a hot day like this, perfect.
And he told me he got like 1.5 million views just from eating at this place. Damn. Someone told me that, yo, Rekstizzy told me that he don't fuck with YuChun no more because he don't eat anything other than Pyongyang naengmyeon. What you think about that?
He's a Pyongyang naengmyeon addict right now, dude.
Yo, fuck Rekstizzy. Oh shit. So what do you get when you're here?
I get the combo. I'm a combo boy, you know what I mean? So the bul naengmyeon with the kalbi situation is fire. And then we get a mandu as well. The kimchi wang mandu is crazy here. The reason why I like this spot is like they slush the kumul. A lot of naengmyeon spots, they have like autumn in it or they have the kumul, but this one, it's literally like a Slurpee.
The naengmyeon you see, they have a slushy machine in the back, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This guy here. So I really wanted to come eat here, right? Yeah. But he's like, oh, I don't eat anything if it's not Pyongyang naengmyeon. I was like, you want some naengmyeon too, because it's hot as hell.
When the sun's beaming like this, dude, there's no substitution.
So you guys don't mess with Young King no more?
No, I do. Young King's great. A lot of people think this is like barley tea. This is actually beef broth. Before we get into the cold.
It's medicine.
Yeah, this is straight up medicinal right here. Come on, baby.
Hangover a little bit. You know what I mean? Like
all the way down.
Yeah. A lot of people don't understand. They think it's like a water thing. They think it's a hot tea dispenser. It's all soup right there. Oh my gosh. 감사합니다.
Spice, bro. Here in here. Before you even taste it, you always put the...
No, not at all. I don't even put it in here. I do a little side like this. Do a side like that.
Whoa.
So, every bite. So first, it's like when you go to pho, man, you don't put the sriracha in before you taste the noodles. That's disrespectful. You want to make sure you get a large mound.
Damn.
Boom. Take a little bit. Put it like that. Then I cover it like that. Ooh. That, my friend.
Damn. Damn, that shit still doesn't kick. That's like a lot of killjob.
I'm a killjob man, dude. Your internal temperature just dropped.
You always get mulnaengmyeon?
I always get mulnaengmyeon.
What about you?
I get Pyongyang naengmyeon.
Tell me about how you gonna eat the kimchi mandu.
So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna eat half of it. Take it out.
Damn.
What the fuck?
Holy shoot.
That's called the naengmyeon mandu.
Damn.
Yo, you show it to that. Wow, bro.
It's a naengmyeon mandu right there.
Woo. Damn.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I do that with my eggs, but I've never seen that done with the dumpling.
Yeah.
Ah, bro, baby. What you think about the kimchi mandu?
Reminds me when I got poisoning.
Did you really get poisoning?
I remember this coming out of my mouth.
Oh my god.
You just have one?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because I don't care.
There's a new spot called Liga on 8th Street, right? And their naengmyeon, they actually have that naengmyeon noodle machine. It looks
Like the noodle?
Exactly. The texture's crazy over there.
Yo, I literally started eating.
Yeah.
These guys, like, how are you guys done? Like,
I'm done, baby. I'm done.
I just, look at this guy. I thought you only eat Pyongyang. Are you, like,
Sometimes just to play tricks with my mind, I take the yolk out and I replace the yolk with kyeoja like this. So it looks like a yolk, you know what I'm saying?
Wait, explain it again. You can play tricks with your mind.
Like when I have kalbi sometimes, right? I'll take a kalbi and I'll hide it under the noodles. You know, like when you have a $20 bill and then you find it later in the laundry, you're like, oh shit, 20.
Are you okay?
Yeah, 100%.
Like that doesn't.
The way that my dad taught me to eat, you need a little pain with your meal. You know what I'm saying?
So
like,
it does hurt a little.
It's like a roundhouse kick to the nose.
That's
it's
like little?
like a spar kick. Yeah, it's a spar kick. You know, it's not like someone actually hitting you in the face. So like after I get that little roundhouse kick, the next few bites taste better. Yeah. For some reason, it opens up some kind of chakra. It opens up some kind of like, I don't know. The brain synapse is a little different.
The next bites taste better.
The next 2.5 bites, yes, tastes a little better.
It seems like he influenced you a lot.
With my dad, you know, everything from daegu mori,
Oh shit.
kimchi-jjigae,
What, daegu mori jjim?
daegu mori jjim, daegu mori with the 콩나물, like all that. Dad used to be a heavy drinker back in the day. So like after a hard day's work at the cleaners, he'd meet up with his friends and they'd be drinking and I'd be like keeping up with them, you know? And in a weird way, like the more like crazy I ate, the more that I just was like, oh, 얘 잘 먹는다, you know, like, oh, 그렇게 먹는 거야. And then them egging me on, that inspired me to eat more crazy. You know what I'm saying? So like when I used to go eat sashimi with my dad, his soy sauce wasn't soy sauce with a little bit of wasabi. It was straight up paste. You feel what I'm saying?
That paste and,
It was literally like a whole
like
gobble. And when you're younger, when you eat it, like everything freezes up, right? And you feel that like pressure right here. I grew to love that. Now, if I don't, it's kind of like when you ride a roller coaster. If you don't feel that stomach drop, then that drop wasn't good enough. You know what I'm saying?
Can your parents cook?
Can my parents cook?
No, your parents.
No, they can't.
They can? Alright, next. No, no, sorry.
Eating crunchy spaghetti.
What?
No.
Like not cooked?
Not because the noodles aren't cooked. The noodles are past al dente. They're soft. Like there's carrot chunks.
Oh my god.
Carrots.
That crunchy carrot means she put the carrots too. Like she put it in right before she served it. You're supposed to soften it up by, you know.
Who puts carrots in spaghetti?
Yeah.
My mom cooked the steak. She made it well done. Extra well done. Like cardboard, and then she stuck it in a fucking Tupperware box. Stuck it in the fridge and was like, eat this later with your dad.
That's gum at that point, dude.
Yeah, no exaggeration. That's what my mom.
So did you eat it or you're like, nah?
Yeah, I ate it because I was hungry.
Right.
When I went to school, like when we were lunch, I'd be the one like always fucking trying to like, yo, let me get some of that. You know what I mean?
So she never had proper teaching.
Cooking though, you'll get the instant because you watch someone else who knew how to cook.
Right.
You know
To
what I mean?
her,
Like,
that's her standard.
yeah. Like
Yeah.
you know how to cook because your dad showed the base and you know what it's supposed to taste like.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom was like kind of like a tomboy growing up.
Oh.
She had a lot of brothers.
Oh, she doesn't look it. Whenever I see like her, like you post her picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's a fucking ajumma.
Oh no, there's like.
Hey, what up? Yeah, my dad, every morning.
Promise?
It's like almost like an alarm clock. I
Damn.
smell ramen.
That's a great scent to wake What's up. your favorite ramen?
Shinramen.
Shinramen?
Yeah.
I'm gin ramen.
Shinramen?
Shinramen's good too.
You
Yeah.
an-
I'm a shin. I'm a shin
Shinramen,
jin. Shin jin samyang. Samyang is good too.
Samyang.
Something is fire.
Yeah, samyang is good. You know, I went viral for having ramen at his wedding.
Yeah,
dude.
wedding, yeah.
That was
Yeah.
fire.
You know
That's
what's
the thing though? It's like your family and your upbringing really puts the standard of your like taste, that bite.
You said you want to do like Korean deli content, tutorial on how to eat your kids.
I was actually thinking about that. Not tutorial on how to beat the kid, but yo, for some reason, this is kind of dark, but our parents knew how to hit us without leaving marks.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? Like hit us real bad and beat us up, but then we go to school and there was no evidence,
Yeah.
bro. Like,
You guys got beat up
Oh,
growing
bro,
up?
hell yeah.
My mom used to beat me up. Well, I think one of the reasons why I hate math is
Uh-huh.
one time I asked my dad for help with my math homework. Like he was just like, yo, why are you so dumb? Like, why are you so
It's because he didn't know how to do
beat
it.
you, right?
He kept on just going, do it again.
Yeah.
Figure it out.
Yeah.
Look at it.
I know. I know, you just keep looking. I remember in Korea, I was like 7. My mom would just be like I couldn't write 8 like this. I had to write it with 2 circles, and then she would beat me up. Like, that was just whooping, and the next door neighbor, nah, like, 뭐 괜찮아? And they's like, 아니에요, 괜찮아요. 그냥 혼내고 있어요. I was just like, and then she was just like, 이렇게 하라고. And I was like,
Right.
and she just said that 넌 맞아야 돼. You know, like, I got like whoop, you know? When I went to elementary school in Korea, like first grade, if you can't do your multiples, like I would get stuck in the 7 all the time. Like 7, 14, 28, 35, 35. and then she would just beat me in front of the whole class.
Damn. And this is when teachers are allowed to beat you,
So still now when someone's like 7 times 6, I'm like, I'm so confident until 6 from 7. I be like traumatized and shit. So when I came to America and I knew that my teachers couldn't beat me, they used to be like, my name was David back. David, I'm like, I do that all day.
What do you mean your name used to be David?
I used to be David till like 8th grade, and then I moved school, and I was like, I'm Chris now.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
My name was David, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Black girl.
Yeah.